doing today?
Canoeing?
Canoeing? Where are we?
We're in the river.
Woohoo! You like the river?
And I'm feeling it too.
You are. What's he doing back there, Sam Bob?
I'm just taking this boat downriver in your own private gondola. And when the moon hits your eye like a big pizza pie, it's amore. When you're here on the river in Kentucky, paddling quicker, it's a canoeing.
Yes, I can't sleep with this.
Don't take it off or your head will go in two.
To the right, you have the indigenous tire, first noticed by the Appalachian Americans around 1862. Its heritage is traced all the way back to 1776, though, by the first explorers of our great state. Here on the Elk Horn River, it was used for many a thing in the natural world. I'm not getting in there.
Feels good.
It's cold water, right?
Where's the hard like your life depends on it. Both hands. Quick. Paddle, hurry, hurry. Go, go, go. Paddle hard. Paddle hard. Aria, paddle, paddle. Paddle like your life depends on it. Paddle, paddle, paddle. Aria, paddle. Paddle hard. Woo, we're almost done. What'd you guys think?